Smart Control. The free vesync app gives you complete control over your humidifier. Enjoy humidity whenever you like with program timers, customized schedules. Monitor your humidity in real time or let Auto Mode Smart Sensor make adjustments for you. Voice Control. Already in bed for the night, have your hands full with a newbor. Connect the humidifier to third-party voice assistants for hands-free control whenever you need. You deserve the best. With an effect range of up to 376 square feet, 35 square meters, the classic 200's humidifier provides fast, comfortable relief from the effects of dry air. Experience alleviation of congestion, sinus headaches, snoring, and dry skin. 40-hour mist. Tired of refilling smaller humidifiers? The large 4-liter tank delivers hassle-free humidifying all day and all night, and automatically shuts off before it runs dry. Just fill the tank, turn it on, and enjoy healthy humidity. Customized mist. Direct the dual 360-degree rotating nozzle wherever you like and select your preferred mist level with the simple one-touch control. Create the ideal indoor climate for the nursery, family room, your bedroom, or anywhere else you like. Best humidifier for babies. Made with BPA-free materials and featuring quiet operation, the classic 200's is perfect for nurseries. With noise levels as low as 25 decibels, the classic 200's is quieter than many other leading humidifiers. Aromatherapy. Add your favorite essential oils to the aroma tray to spread relaxing aromas along with healthy humidity. Trouble sleeping? Turn off the display lights and enjoy soothing aromatherapy for the best sleep environment. Ultrasonic technology. Other humidifiers may make floors wet and furniture damp. The classic 200's advanced ultrasonic mist technology spreads an ultrafine mist, ensuring the moisture stays in the air and humidifying the room in a matter of minutes. Note: this humidifier doesn't come with a remote control. It is powered by vesync app. You'll enjoy the remote control feature on the phone or use Alexa or Google Assistant to control. Top reviews from the United States. Must have. Great for the price. This is our second LEVOIT item. Our Bill Street is an air purifier and now the humidifier. Love the level of options and also the design.